Creating your Google Forms quiz. From your Google Drive, click New, go down to More, and click Google Forms. Create and share. You can name your Google form. I would name it the name of the lesson. You can give a form description here. When you click in the title of the file, it will automatically come up with the title that you gave the quiz. You have your first question already to add, but before I begin adding questions, I want to go to Settings. General, you could have it collect emails, and if you do that, it automatically adds a question where students have to add their email. You do not want to restrict it to WKU or any university because you don't know which email students are going to use. You probably do not want students to edit after submit. Presentation, you could have it show a progress bar. You probably do not want students to submit another response. Now to make it a quiz, click on Quizzes, click on Make this a quiz. Do you want to release the grade immediately after submission? Do you want students to see the questions they missed? Do you want them to see correct answers and point values that they earned? For now, I'll leave all that on. Now, to save time in this video, I'm going to show you the quiz that I've already started. I went to the quiz from the ROTC lesson, and in this one, I created a multiple choice question. See, it's that very first question over here. When you select quiz as your form type, you get this down here for an answer key, and you select the answer and you decide on the points and click Done. This one from right here was the second one. I made it a short answer type question. You click on the answer key, and I try to think of any way that students might spell or misspell the question, but I would still accept it. Decide on your points, and done. All right, this one, even though it's a multiple choice, I wanted to show you that you can create it as a drop down and that it pulls down the answers and they select tolerant. These two from the original quiz I used as a short answer because there's not a fill in the blank type. This one is a short answer. Now, from the PowerPoint, I took the adaptive leader characteristics and changed some of them. And you can see that I selected the correct ones. The ones that I had used, like here, here, and here, in a short answer, I actually changed those. Like instead of resilient, I made it responsible. Instead of, I'm not sure which one I changed to committed. I changed timely. And I changed, instead of change agent, to reacts to change. And in answer key is where you select the correct ones and you give the points. And then For the activities from the practical exercise, I created this to be a multiple choice grid where students can rank these 9 statements of adaptive leadership factors and what they think are the most important. Now, in the answer key, I did not give correct answers because this is their opinions, but I did give 1 point for each ranking. Now, in the next one, where they rank the adaptive leader development actions, I created this one as a checkbox grid. It's very similar to the one before. I did the same thing with the answer key. Did not give correct answers because this is their opinion. I did put 1 point for each ranking that they complete. Now, as long as you're doing questions like this, where we gave an answer, it can be a self-graded quiz. In a later video, I'm going to show you some more open-ended answers where you will have to manually grade them. So we've looked at 6 different question types here, and I want to look next at the theme. Customize the theme. You can select an image from a stock image. What I did, though, was I copied just an Army background. I copied the WKU logo and the ROTC logo. Notice how close they are together. Then I did a screenshot. On the Mac, it's Alt-Shift-4, and then I did a screenshot. Okay? Then I did an upload image. Upload. Let me look at my Finder. And you see down here, these are screenshots on my desktop of the images. And I did this, I just dragged it over there. And it's perfect. You can move the box around, but that's pretty good. And done. You can select what colors you want. You see, it changes. Don't really like red. That kind of goes with my theme here. And you can select what style of font you want. Formal. Don't really like that. The basic kind of goes with my theme. And this concludes this video.